All right, so there was the decision that I had to make in this business, and it was a recent decision, whether when posting this content, we're gonna keep it real to the audience and show the fuck ups and show the mistakes and show the problems that went wrong. And I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it posting it. It may lose clients in the future, but I think to be real with the audience is needed to build trust. And so yeah, we're going to show you this. So this is one of the sides of the tabletop with the clear gloss on it. You can see the shine on it. Looks wicked in my opinion, which is great. But then we turn it over, which is the non-varnish side, and we've got these things here. Now this was because I was using these to hold the thing up, the tabletop. So they've obviously stuck to it. And to tell you the truth, if I was doing this for a client, I wouldn't let this slip. This is actually, mind you, this is actually for my parents that I'm making this. So they're a bit more lenient, but I still think that it's pretty needed to go through again. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sand this down again, and we're going to recoat it with stain, make sure we get it good this time. You see that type of stuff. I mean, it's not a great deal because it's going to be on the underside anyway. Not many people are going to see it, but that's just my, I don't know, my pickiness, I guess, and not wanting to give out a bad price to the clients. And then same as this one yesterday, I've sanded this part down, or these couple parts down. I'm going to see if I can restain these spots and get it to the same color as the other piece. So yeah, I just thought I'd be real with everyone, because what's the point of not being real in a business, you know what I mean? I'm trying to win, not win, but I'm trying to build a family, and I'm trying to build a system where people can trust me, you know what I mean? And I think that's important in business, is having people that trust you. So yeah.